Welcome. This video will explain the features of the NovoConnect platform for use by the new College of Florida members. It is important to note that we are using the updated navigation view during these videos. Depending on when you are watching, you may see a slightly different view in your own NovoConnect page. If so, click on the gray bar at the top of your page that says, "A new version of the improved navigation is out. Try it now," to change to the updated view of NovoConnect. This change will become permanent soon. This video will describe how to use the NovoConnect rosters, including assigning positions and access to members. To manage your roster, you must be a member of the organization. To join an organization, click the blue Join button in the top right corner of the profile, or contact the organization leader. If you are the leader of an organization and do not have access to your profile, please contact the SOS office. If you are a member, you should see the Manage Organization button in the top right corner. Click that to enter the backend and management side of the organization profile. A shortcut is to click the three lines on the top left of the home page to open the menu. Then scroll down to the My Memberships section. Then click the gear icon next to the organization. Then click Roster. In the roster page, you can view current members, pending members from invitations you have sent, and prospective members who have asked to join. The primary contact has the most access and control to the organization page, but that access can be shared by assigning positions. If you are the primary contact, only you will be able to change the primary contact by clicking the blue pencil. To add members to your roster, click the blue Invite People button in the top right corner. You can then type in their email address, then click Add Email Addresses. Then you can assign them a position, or you can do this later once they've accepted your invitation. To add or change the position of any other member, click the blue pencil next to their name. Here, you will see all the positions available to assign them. If you want to add a position or need to change the access setting of a position, click the Manage Positions button in the top right corner. Here you can view existing positions or create new ones and edit the settings of each. You can name the position whatever you like and assign a position type. The position type does not affect the access the holder has, just how the position will show up on their co-curricular transcript. You can choose to show the holders of the position on the public roster, meaning anyone in the world could see that they are in that position in the group. You can set the position to active or inactive, depending on your organization needs. You can also assign the position holder the ability to receive emails when users click the Contact button on the group's profile. Finally, you can determine management access. The default for new positions will always be No Access. The next option is All Access, which gives position holders total access to all tabs in the backside and management side of the group profile. You can also assign Limited Access, which allows you to determine level of access by each feature. Be sure to save the position before you go back to your roster to assign it to a member. Thank you so much for watching our instructional video. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us via email at sos@ncf.edu, via phone at 941-487-4501, or in person at HCL 4 Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.